Gotta start thinking about my waistline. Gotta make sure that I'm dang fine. Hey. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a makeup look, and it's going to be more like a rose mauve type of color. Before we jump into this makeup look, let's talk about this hair of mine. Yeah, I needed a rest, so I put these jumbo single release twists in my hair, and then I curled the ends. This really hasn't been in my hair long at all. It looks kind of old, but it's kind of cute. I may redo them over, or probably just take each one of these down and just do locks. I don't know if I'm built up for it, but maybe I can do it since my hair is already divided and I have hair. And like I said, this haven't even been in my hair probably a little over a week, if a week. Yeah, so I just decided to protect my hair, so I got the side ponytail going on. But anyhow, I didn't do a tutorial on this because it was like a last minute decision to do my hair like this. But if you want to see this makeup tutorial here, just keep watching. Treated my skin already, so I typically use a tea tree toner for my skin, and now my face is really I'm trying to correct my face right now. This right here, this breakout is due to me using a particular foundation, the LA Girl Pro foundation. My face is already oily, so that foundation kind of is like a dewy foundation. That's what it seems to me when I apply it to my skin, and after a week or so my face broke out really bad. It's way better than it was. This was like a few weeks ago, so yeah, it's really bad. But anyway, again, I used the Body Shop Tea Tree Pore Minimizer with purifying tea tree oil, so you definitely can feel it working in the skin. It smells good and it's very light on the skin. Now to correct my blemishes, I am using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and it's the orange corrector. I'm giving it a good shake, and then I'm about to go to work. I bought a whole new one. That's a little too much. Okay, and this is supposed to help correct blemishes, so you shouldn't be using this as like a concealer. I'm just using a Real Technique sponge and a setting spray by Kat Von D, and I typically like to use a flat side, so I'm just gonna gently like kind of press this into the skin. And like I said, you really only need a little bit. My face has blemishes everywhere because of this foundation. You tend to use this like concealer per se. When it's time for you to apply your foundation, it'll turn your foundation if you use too much. So that's why I say a little goes a long way. I kind of use too much. I thought I was using a little. I don't know how this is gonna look on camera because I'm using a ring light diffuser. Right, so what I'm gonna do is after that I'm gonna set this. It's like a peach powder, but I'm gonna use a little so I can minimize the oil. So I'm just kind of lightly. And this also kind of help diffuse this orange before you apply your foundation. It looks crazy right now, but it's gonna come together. This foundation I bought a couple of years ago. I loved it, and then I like hated it, and now I'm back loving it. The Clinique Acne Solution Liquid Makeup, and this is not like you have to be with this foundation if you're looking for like full coverage. I think it's purposely it's like a lightweight type of foundation because, you know, it's a acne solution, so I know this foundation is not meant to really clog the pores. I'm supposed to give you like a skin-like finish. So I'm using this, and this to me seems a little cool for my skin. So with this orange corrector right here on my face, I think it's going to balance out. You don't want to move that base we just set down. So I'm just kind of stippling this on so I won't move that corrector and that powder. I'm gonna set this with a face powder, and it's kind of tone down this orangey look on this side here. And I like to take my sponge, dampen it, and kind of like press this in to make sure this doesn't move. Use my pencils. The pencils I'm using are by Ruby Kiss, and I'm going to tightline my eyes. Now I don't know if I want to do a wing liner. I think I want to just kind of smudge this out a little bit. So let's fat line brush. I'm gonna smudge this on the outer corner a little bit. Okay, before I move on, because I know I'm gonna have to come back and reapply that, I'm gonna use the Suede by Fenty. I'm gonna wet my sponge. I'm gonna blend. Since my forehead is wide, I don't highlight too far up, just right here. I think I'm gonna conceal a little bit more right here in the corners. I see darkness right here. And that's how you can check for your dark circles. If you look down, you can see that shadow. And I still see a little shadowy right there. Alright, so I'm taking that Kat Von D. I don't like my under eye to be too yellow. And sometimes it's hard to see that afterwards. You look on the camera and you kind of see that, oh, I'm a little too yellow. I don't preferably, I don't like that. I kind of like it to be warm, but not noticeably warm, like a noticeable yellow under my eyes. So I like to kind of tone it down a little bit. Don't know how they look on camera, but we're going to keep moving. Matter of fact, I'm going to take whatever's left on this brush and kind of go around that perimeter right there, that highlighter, to make sure everything is blended. Alright, now so I'm going to go ahead and add those two colors. I'm using Baba Boom and Cliche for under the eye. Okay, I like a more fuller brow. It's just me, so I'm going to brush these up. I want to clean them up just a little bit. This is not too dark.
You alright? You want a little trim?
I like my eyebrows. Wow. I'm a wild girl.
She's a wild girl.
I'm a wild girl.
Fuck being wild.
Okay, I'm sweating. Let me stop. Okay, I'm taking my Iman Earth Medium powder. Now it's actually a little darker than my skin, but I don't mind being a little more chocolatey. So I'm just gonna press that all over the skin, baby. Fire. I want to use a different highlighter, but I'm gonna use, you know what, I could use something from this Morphe palette, honey. Yeah, so I'm gonna use Talent. That's what I put right here in the corner. I'm gonna use that as a highlighter. Use that little brush I use, because this is how I do my little trick. It can go down the bridge of the nose. Fenty Espresso for my contour. Make sure I get this forehead, this bad head. How about it? Oh, you tried it. I'm going to use Estee Lauder. What is this? Sumptuous Knockout Defining Lip Mascara. You gotta stop thinking about my waistline. Gotta make sure that I'm dang fine. Hey. Gotta make sure that I'm dang fine. Gotta stop thinking about my waistline. I am using Milani Rose Dioro. Ooh. And then the star of the show, Marc Jacobs Lip Crayon Pencil in a mauve color. Okay, so this might be a little too light for my lips. So what I'm going to do is line these lips. So they come on very, very smooth. Very smooth. And as you can see, it's very pigmented. Yes! I think it's cute like this. I want more gloss. So I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Sticks Lip Gloss. Pinkish color. And I'm going to pop that right in the center. Alright, so I put my lashes off. So I use the House of Lashes. I believe I used this in a tutorial before. I can't remember which ones these are, but I'll put it down in the description box. Now I'm just going to set my face with the Kat Von D Lock It Makeup Settings Mist here. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you did enjoy this tutorial, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the notification button if you want to see more looks like this or more makeup tutorials. And also don't forget to subscribe as well. Alright guys, see you next time. Bye.